Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to add Amtrak ticket to Apple Wallet. Are you having trouble adding your Amtrak ticket to Apple Wallet? As you all know, you can't add any external card other than debit, credit or transit card, drivers or state ID directly from the Apple Wallet itself. But don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to App Store and search for Card Manager. Install the app. After installing, open the app. You'll be able to see 4 menus named Gift, Loyalty, Membership and On. Click on All and press Add Card. Select Store Card. Now search for Amtrak. Click on it. Now, you can scan your ticket via the front camera or enter your ticket details manually. After doing this, click on Save. Once you have saved it, your card will be directly added to your Apple Wallet. Or there is another option you can try. Install the Amtrak app. Go to your profile section. You'll be able to see the ticket you have purchased. Click on your ticket and press Add to Apple Wallet. After doing this, you can easily access your ticket via Apple Wallet.